Hello everyone, welcome to iExam B for 50% faster preparation. In this very important video for RBI Grade B, if you are eligible for DSIM and DEPR, I am going to talk about that. Remember, the last date for the form filling is very near. 16 June, don't wait for the last date if you want to see your name also in list of the successful candidate. Okay, coming to the video, I am going to talk about the job profile, very brief, what you are going to do in these three separate kind of vacancies: eligibility, exam pattern, little deeper on that, and the syllabus, so that you can decide whether you shall apply for all one or where is your focus. First point about salary, many people ask that, so don't worry, your salary is going to be same. Overall it will come around 20-30 lakh rupees in terms of the CTC. Does not matter you are in DEPR, DSIM or RBI Grade B General, because you are Grade B officer in RBI, which is a manager level position. You will live in the same quarter, work in the same office, departments are different. DEPR stands for Department of Economic Policy and Research. You must know this name if you are going to apply for this. And DSIM is Department of Statistics and Information Management. If you know the meaning of this, I think 33% of the clarity about the profile will come from here. Rest we will discuss in the video. Understand what is the hierarchy of the RBI so that you understand where do you stand today. You join as manager level in all these positions. So Grade B is a manager level position. Assistant manager is Grade A. Yes, by promotion from Grade A you become Grade B, and then Grade C, Grade D is DGM, and Grade E is GM, and CGM is Grade F. After that you become executive director and deputy governors. If you want to see, this is the board of the RBI. The highest level authority is the board of the RBI. Governor and deputy governors are in the board also. So if you see overall where you are going to grow in the career, so these board members are outsiders mostly, except the 4 deputy governors and governor here. You see that hierarchy, because that will make you understand the overall career journey from DSIM and DEPR. So governor is here. Among the 4 deputy governors, if you just have a look at their profile briefly, so you will realize that one, and that is the trend, one comes from the commercial banking experience. Mr. Manesh Kumar Jain right now comes from that experience. Rest 3 may come from RBI. Normally 2 minimum are from RBI, but 3 are also there. So he is 85 batch DR, Dr. Michael Patra. He is also from the specialized department. I think he joined in DEPR that time. And Shri M. Rajeshwar Rao is again, I think 85 batch, 84 batch. In our faculty member Dr. Sharma is his batchmate. So he comes from the journal cadre, RBI Grade B journal. And then Shri T. Ravi Shankar, he also comes from the specialized cadre, MSc in statistics from BHU. These are the deputy governors. You can see this is the level where you are going to reach from RBI Grade B. Both general and specialized. Specialized means DEPR or DSI people can grow up to that level. So what are these specialized departments? So these are called operational department. Nobody will ask you in the exam, but I am telling you, this banking department, issue department, PDO, public debt office is operational department. These are the other specialized departments like Department of Banking Supervision Regulation. Now it is clubbed. Currency Management Department, DEIO. I am not reading all the name here. These are specialized departments for economic policy and the research. So DEPR is going to post you here. Okay. Here you will publish these kind of financial stability report, monetary policy report, and other occasional papers. The purpose is to do research. If you compare the job description, I am not going into the detail of journalist because I have already discussed at very detail. Please watch this video आज से तैयारी. DEPR primarily to undertake economic analysis and research and contribute to the policy formulation apart from compilation of data relating to the selected sectors. So as the name suggests, economic policy and the research, and here it is more about the data because statistics and information management. Don't get confused this with the communication department. So it is not, information management is not the communication department, which is very different in RBI. Here information is the data about the economy, the banking system, the financial system. So collection, compilation, analysis and interpretation of the data on banking, corporate and external sectors. Here modeling, forecasting, analytical studies. So all this will come in DSIM. You can understand, being a statistics postgraduate, what kind of expertise you have. Now understand this well, whether you are eligible. You need 60% marks in graduation for journal, any discipline. If you don't have that or you have post graduation, 55% marks. So both are not required. If you have 55% in PG, you are eligible. 60% in UG graduation eligible. For DEPR, you have to be masters in economics, right? Economics means all related field related to economics, quantitative economics, financial economics, mathematical economics, agriculture economics, industrial economics. You read this and the actual notification in detail, that what is your eligibility criteria, and you need minimum 55% marks here for the general, and master's degree A and B above 50% marks equivalent in case of the SC, ST and PWD. Here also that I have not read. DSIM degree in statistics, mathematics, statistics. Read all the related definitions of various degrees. Master's degree in data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data analytics, all these are also eligible, right? Read all this carefully. Or a 4-year degree with 60% marks in, please read, data science, AI, ML, big data analytics. So that makes you eligible. Again, 55% marks criteria is also here. So understand that if you are postgraduate in economics, you will be eligible for DEPR. In statistics, mathematics, you will be for DSIM. First, ensure that. For calculation of GPA and percentage, this is written here. Your university formula will be accepted. If you don't have, then only this comes into picture. And degree from any recognized university. People ask correspondence degree, IGNOU degree, does not matter. A degree is a degree, it is recognized by the university, so it is recognized by the RBI. Coming to important dates. So here the general exam phase 1 is on July 9th and July 30th is your phase 2 exam only when you clear the phase 1 exam. But in case of DEPR, the exam is on 16 July and DSIM also 16 July. So what you can do, if you are eligible, depending on your qualification, you can apply for journal plus DEPR or journal plus DSIM, because these exam dates are also separate. And here the good thing is you have good time for the paper 2, which is happening here 2nd September in DSIM and Second September for DEPR and August 19 for DSIM. So you will have enough time to prepare, which having the different syllabus than for the journal. But you have to be eligible for this. Now I will explain you what is the exam pattern, because the journal, Grade B DR journal, I have explained many times, but still briefly I am telling you the phase 1 exam is QRE, Quant Reasoning English General Awareness plus General Awareness. You have to qualify this so that you can appear in the main exam, which consists of 3 papers: economic and social issues. Paper 2 is English writing, paper 3 is finance and management, all 100 marks, 50% descriptive in ESI and FM. English is fully descriptive. All these 300 marks plus 75 marks in the interview is the criteria for final selection. Same here, 75 marks interview is going to be the criteria for DSIM and DEPR also. All exam happen in Hindi and English. Now let us understand what is there in DEPR and DSIM. So DEPR, the pattern is here, paper phase 1 and phase 2 exam. So paper 1 in phase 1 is objective economics and paper 2 is descriptive. You have to type with the help of keyboard. Phase 2 exam here is descriptive on economics. Question paper will come on computer and answers will be written on the paper. So here you have to write with pen. And phase 2 paper 2 is descriptive type on economics. Question paper will be on computer, answers will be written on paper. Total 400 marks is the exam here. This is clearly written that you have to write here on paper. This is for DPR. And when we come to the DSIM part, so DSIM you see paper 1, paper 2, paper 3. So paper 1 objective on statistics 100 marks, paper 2 descriptive on statistics, again paper will be displayed on the computer and answer to be written on paper. Paper 3 is here English, where you have to type on keyboard like in case of the Grade B DR General English paper. Here it is to be typed on the keyboard. Here 300 marks written exam plus 75 marks interview will be the criteria for final selection. Now understand the syllabus, because syllabus is important to understand if you want to prepare here. So in syllabus I am going to just tell you in brief. For more details you have to go to all the videos which are available on our Target RBI channel, prepared by Aditi ma'am, when she has explained how to prepare in every topic. So paper 1 objective type on economics, let me show you in more detail. Objective type on economics, it has micro, macro, theories of economic growth and development, public finance, quantitative methods, current development in Indian economy, almost everything related to economy, macro and also on micro. Paper 2 descriptive type on English, this is as the English exam to assess your writing skills including expressions and understanding of the topic. And paper 2 phase 2 paper 1 descriptive type on economics, question displayed on computer. I have already told here. Microeconomic module, that is consumer theory, production theory, market theory. So you have to go into the detail. Read this line, equal weightage will be given to micro and macro. So you cannot say I like macro, I will be able to clear this exam, because equal weightage is to be given on both sides. Distribution theories, welfare economics. Then comes the macroeconomic module, national income accounting, theory of employment and output, inflation, money and banking, theories of economic growth and development, international trade and balance of payment, and public finance on the macro side. Quite detailed syllabus. The good thing is now RBI has given all this detailed syllabus, and also on this paper 2 in phase 2 quantitative method in economics, mathematical methods in economics, statistical method, economics and advanced applications, and module on Indian economy, fiscal policy in India, monetary policy in India, banking and financial sector development, inflation, external sector development. So all these topics you have to go into the detail, sectorial development related to agriculture, industry, etc. Equal weight is to be given in quantitative economic and Indian economics. So you can't escape some part of the syllabus. You have to study well, but you will have choice in the exam to answer the questions because these are descriptive exam. So you can choose which questions you are picking up. When it comes to DSIM, standard of paper would be that of the master's degree examination of any central university in India. Read this line carefully because in case of the DSIM, the syllabus is given very little. Earlier for DEPR also they were not giving the detailed syllabus which they have given now. So for DSIM, you have to be prepared that these are the indicative things. Like in paper 1, questions will cover probability, definition of the probability, standard distribution and small sample theory, analysis of variance, ANOVA, estimation, testing of hypothesis, multivariate analysis and stochastic processes. The last one is always important, right? Paper 2, questions will be again all these probability, linear models, estimation and econometrics, multivariate analysis. So these topics are again, as I said, any master's level exam difficulty will be there. So statistics, whatever you have studied during your masters, you please go revise that in detail. Go to the previous year papers available on our website. Here English paper is also there. Same manner, writing skills will be evaluated, how you are going to perform. In all these DSIM and DEPR, one thing also you will find in the notification, they are giving preference to MPhil PhDs. So if you have experience of working in research or maybe teaching also, all post qualification experience is also going to be helpful here, and it is also going to helpful in your written exam. Sometimes people ask, so non-programmable electronic calculator will be made available online on the screen for DSIM candidate. For rest, DEPR and Grade B journal, there is no calculator and there is no need of calculator, right? So don't get confused. For DSIM, here they have written for paper 2, it will be simple calculator will be available on the screen. So hope you have understood this, the difference between DEPR, DSIM, and I am sure you must be knowing that you have 222 vacancies here for journal, 38 in DEPR and 21 in DSIM. Excellent opportunity to make a career with the central bank of the country. You can grow up to the position of deputy governors. I showed you. Choose wisely. You are eligible for 2. Apply because it's a lifetime opportunity. You have any questions, feel free to ask to us. 920-5524-028. We will be more than happy to answer, and we are giving regular videos on DEPR, DSIM also. Please subscribe and share. For previous year questions, download from the website and attempt the mock test so that you are ready for the exam. All the best.